Double got that fire.
What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to Sauna's Lifestyle. Today's another day. It's cold as hell out here, and I'm bringing you guys on because I need to fix my heater in my Z28, my 91 Camaro, man. So the heater works, but something's wrong with the motor itself, so it makes a loud noise. I'll let you guys hear what it sounds like real fast. If you're just tuning in, go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Go ahead and give me a like, share, comment at the end of this video. And yeah, let me let you guys hear what this sound like. Now I don't want to do it because I got you guys on. I got it on camera. That's why. Let's see. Hold on. Of course, it doesn't want to do it now. You hear it? That noise right there. If I turn it off. Yeah, it ain't supposed to sound like that. So what I'm gonna do is I got a new blower motor for the heater. I'm gonna go ahead and swap that out real quick. I'm gonna show you guys how I'm doing that. Like I said, man, my channel is all about cars and DIYs, man. I'm about to do it myself for sure. So yeah, let me go ahead and pop this hood, man, get you guys in there, show you guys what I'm doing. It's supposed to be a quick swap, but anything that it says is supposed to be a quick swap is never a quick swap. So let's see what happens. Let's go. All right, so got the hood popped open. I think I found the location, which should probably be right here. This is where, if I'm not mistaken, this is where the blower motor's at. So it looks like there's only a couple screws to get the cover off. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, roughly about 5 screws. Looks like maybe a 10 mil. I could be wrong, could be a little smaller than that, but right here is the blower motor, the new one I got for it, Continental. Or this from Rock Auto. They're pretty quick with shipping stuff here. So actually that is where the blower motor goes because it looks just like that in the back. So get this out the box. Looks like a little hamster thing, man. So literally, if you look at the back of it right here, it goes right in here. So hopefully we'll swap this out really quick, put you guys on the Head Pro, show you guys what it looks like. Let's go ahead and get to it. God dang, boy. So got to unscrew. Literally there's 2 screws at the bottom down here, one here and one down there. That is a pain to get to, but for the most part it's only 2 screws, man, so I dealt with worse. But yeah, so here's the blower motor. I already unplugged it here. I had to unscrew, I don't know what this is called, but I unscrewed this just to get it out of the way. There's a plate that goes right here. There's 2 screws, and it's actually 7mm. So let's see if I can pull this out of here without messing anything up and placing this back in there. I might have to put you guys down for a second. Hold on. that on. Get past the plastic. And there you go. There's the motor. So it looks like it has some type of gasket right here. So I'll make sure I put that back in the same way. Look like it went here. I don't know what that's for, but and there. So what I'll do is I'll just make sure I put it back on. Oh, right here. Sorry. There and there. So I'll put that back on the new one. So here we have the old blower motor and the new blower motor. So I'll spin that around, as you guys can see. So all right, reverse order. Let's go ahead and throw this back in. As you guys can see right here, this probably been in since 1991. Probably the original blower motor. Actually, let me see if it says GM on it. Daytona, Ohio, Delco products. So possibly original. Who cares? Anyway, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw this back in reverse order, man. Once I get it back in, I'll show you guys. Well, hopefully it works. I'll turn you guys back on. All right, just put the motor in. Let's see. Works. Don't hear any noise. No, the only thing though I hate about this third gen when it comes to the heat and the AC is that blower motor doesn't blow that hard like the newer cars. But all in all, it's in there, man. So ain't no more noise. Just make sure. Yep, no noise. So I'm happy that's done, man, because I was driving around and I didn't have no heat really in here because that noise is really loud. But yeah, that's gonna conclude today's video on installing the DIY, your do-it-yourself type of things, man, on my channel. So that was a third gen install when it came to a blower motor for your heater / AC unit. So if you guys have any questions, any concerns, anything like that, go ahead and leave it in the comments below. Other than that, appreciate you guys showing support, watching this video today. I got some more videos, some really good bangers for you guys. The next video I got coming up for the third gen is going to be the Halo RGB light install. So another DIY for you guys out there that want to know how to install some lights in a third gen and how to wire it up. So other than that, go ahead and stay tuned, guys. I appreciate it once again, and I'm out.